Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Mayor Paul Medani on behalf of Deptford Township Council. Today is September 4th, Friday, 2020. It is Labor Day weekend. We're here with our COVID-19 news and some information about Deptford Township. So let's get the COVID numbers right away. Deptford Township is at 689, as we tell you every video. Most of them are in the long-term care facilities. Gloucester County, 3,792 cases. New Jersey, 192,973 as of today. So this is Labor Day weekend. Labor Day is a day to honor the labor force that helped build and create this country. So, and the weekend honors that. So the 40-hour work week, safety protocols in the workplace, pensions and health benefits, vacation pay and more. All of these benefits were fought for by previous generations to ensure fairness in our places of work. There's a little footnote from history I want to share, is that overtime was created to discourage people from working long hours on weekends and nights without compensation, and to encourage a more reasonable 40-hour week so people could spend time with their families. There was a series of laws passed through history, through the late 1800s and early 1900s, but the Fair Labor Standards Act of 1938 solidified a lot of these rules by law. So to get there was a hard-fought battle, won by protest and folks working with legislators and elected officials, but here we are today with the laws in place to make it a better and safer workplace. So, speaking of jobs and businesses, we're at the center island right here between the Deptford Mall and Adelphia Restaurant. We're going to tell you a couple things about where we're at and what's going on. Right behind me is one of the largest municipal American flags in South Jersey. Right below it is the POW flag, to remind us that a lot of soldiers never returned home. Also right behind me is the Veterans Memorial Highway dedicated. That was donated by one of our developers to honor our veterans and to honor, to name this highway after them. So the clock behind me, I don't want to forget to mention anything. You'll see it in a minute. The clock was donated by the Adelphia family, or Adelphia Restaurant and the Ballas family. It's a great addition to the center island. Also, you're going to see a little shot of our lawn signs. It says, "Thank you, Deptford." That's to thank you for the hard work you've been doing, the patience that you've had through this pandemic since March. We're moving around a little bit. There's a lot of traffic out today, which is good. Stay safe in that. Today, the restaurants are open for 25% indoor dining capacity, finally. So they need your help, but when you go there, wear your mask. It's better than before today, but it's not good enough for them to recover completely, to get people working and to get their businesses back to profitability. But that's what it is today. Let's keep moving forward. We're asking you to support our local businesses. Come out this weekend, get a great meal with great service, shop the mall. Right now, you'll get a shop at the mall. The mall's actually crowded right now. The mall anchor stores are all open. All the surrounding businesses are open. If you visit them and shop them, it'll get them much needed dollars for their business, and it'll get people back to work too. When you go out, wear your face coverings. This protects you, it protects others, it slows the spread or stops the spread of this disease. Stay physically apart, cough in your arm, wash your hands, all of the things that we preach about every video. Keep doing them. All of these things we do for COVID-19, but they're also going to help you get through flu season, which is upon us right now, and reminding you to get your flu shots also. Remember, this COVID-19 is a novel virus. That means that it's new. Scientists are still discovering things about this thing. They're discovering the spread of it, how when people get it, how it affects them. There's so much that is not known. That's why we need to keep protecting ourselves from it. We're always asking you to get your news from reliable sources. Go out this weekend, buy a newspaper, buy the Sunday paper. It's packed with facts, packed with news. The journalists need your support. Journalism and newspapers are the foundation of our democracy. You need to get factual news. Keep checking our website, Deptford-NJ.org. That has news, facts about COVID-19, service requests, things about Deptford Township, events. Get your news from there. So, if you're out driving, and we just mentioned all the traffic, please obey the speed limit signs and stop speeding. Again, our restaurants are open for indoor dining, gyms are open, movie theaters are opening this week. Things are on the move, as we can see. But we need you to stay safe. We need you to keep your family safe. We need you to be smart about everything. Keep up what you're doing. Have a great Deptford weekend. Have a safe Deptford weekend, and we will see you soon.